I heard a compelling statistic in that I can't remember the time period that it's going to happen, but over within a certain time period, over 51% of a blue collar workforce will not be able to speak English. So I see that coming and coming that storm coming and coming very quickly, with KnowHow's ability to be utilized in other languages right now in Spanish. I see that being critical over the next 6, 12, and further out months. And then I also see in our orientation as a manager, in a manager's orientation, they can have a preliminary discussion, show people their path within KnowHow, and there's an hour KnowHow on this. There's an hour KnowHow on this. They can take their day back that they traditionally spent that hour here, an hour there, an hour there on orientation and further training. They can take that back to focus on other things to move their division and the entire organization forward.